What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the LowkeyLegend. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video for you guys, man. Today's video is gonna be some random gameplay of this new game coming out, man. It's called the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. If you guys are unaware, this is the same game company that made Friday the 13th. And if you guys are unaware of that game as well, it was 7 people in an online match. One person was Jason, and the other 6 remaining people were survivors and had to come up with a plan to escape from Jason on this map. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I did not get too involved with Friday the 13th. I did play it a lot when it first came out, maybe like the first week or two, but then after that, I really fell off with it. They didn't maintain it enough, and that's, I think nowadays, guys, this is how a lot of games are starting to become. They're starting to have a lot more updates throughout the game when it comes out to keep people interested, keep people entertained with the game. And I think a lot of gaming companies are starting to do that. I read an article from these guys, which are the same creators of Friday the 13th, and they promised that this game, this new game, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, will not have the same fate as Friday the 13th did. So I am excited about that. This game drops in less than 24 hours from now on all consoles, PC. It's got crossplay on the PS5 and the newest Xbox, as well as PC. No crossplay on the lower generations, but it looks pretty cool, man. You're gonna be able to play with a good amount of people. The game mode is set up for a 3 versus 4, so there's 3 killers and 4 people try to escape. And in this one, along with the last one, they wanted to focus on stealth. In this one, you have to be stealthy. I have not had a chance to play this game yet, just watched gameplay. I actually got some gameplay online here for you guys. I'll have the full video in the description. Just wanted to take something to throw up here for now. I will have my first ever gameplay commentary tonight, kind of like a reaction to this game. My first hands-on experience on it. I got it on the PS5. I was gonna get it on the PC, but I think the PS5 is gonna it outperforms my PC right now. Like, I can't play in the same graphic settings I can on PS5 on PC. It's a struggle. I can some games, but I don't know. Like, Call of Duty is definitely looks a lot better on the PS5 than it does on the PC, and that's just kind of how they made the PS5, you know. So anyways, man, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is going to be it's one of my favorite games, game designs, I should say. I know Friday the 13th was amazing when it first came out, and if they would have kept on to date and updated it, it still might have had a chance to be alive today. Just how, like, Dead by Daylight is very alive right now. That game should have been up there with them, you know. And maybe this one will be. Hopefully it will. It looks like a crazy game. Actually, 6 people in the Slaughter family, which is the killers. Obviously you got Leatherface, and then you got people like the cook, the hitchhiker, some dude who's a grandpa, someone named Sissy, and someone named Johnny. And those are all people in the Slaughter family that you can pick and choose. I don't know if you can choose and play with them, or you're just kind of randomly assign them. And then the victims, there's also 6 different victims that you can play as. And again, I don't know if you can choose them or not. I guess we'll find out tonight. But the gameplay, dude, it looks pretty advanced for the most part. It might definitely get some getting used to. Seems like they added a lot of things from the last, you know, updated from the last one. You can tell a lot of new features and physics are in here. They also dropped 3 maps, which is nice. It comes with 3 off the bat maps: Family House, Gas Station, and the Slaughterhouse. So those seem like they could be some interesting places to play. Hopefully they add more maps in the future. I don't know if 3 is going to absolutely cut it, but for now, for the game launch, that's definitely more than enough to get familiar with. And I guess we'll see where this series goes. I'm going to start a series with the Texas Chainsaw Massacre tonight. When it comes out, I'm gonna start something. I'm not sure what it is, but this is one of the coolest game concepts that I've ever came across. When Friday the 13th was originally out, this is like a matchup right against it. So it's gonna be fun to to learn how it goes and how it plays. I'm sure the graphics are, you know, gonna be crazy. And if you guys have not seen the movie, man, it's on Netflix. I would highly recommend you watch it tonight or whenever you do get a chance. The movie is just, oh man, it's icing on the cake for when the game comes out, you know what I mean? Came out not too long ago either, the movie. It's on Netflix, like I said. Give it a watch, and you might be ready to get your hands on the game soon enough, man. It's coming out, like I said. You'll be seeing gameplay of it as soon as this commentary drops later tonight. The game came out in beta, so that's the gameplay you guys are seeing now. Just some beta gameplay from when it came out on the PC, I think 3 or 4 months ago. So obviously the game is going to be changed up quite a bit. We shall see, but that's all I got for you guys, man. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, what it is, and what you guys are going to be seeing of it. I'll explain more in the next video of it once I kind of sit down and understand how it works a little bit. We'll break it down, see everything they have to offer in this game, man. So anyways, it's been your boy, the LowkeyLegend. I'm going to let the rest of the gameplay play out. If you guys want to check out the original video, the link will be in the description. Shout out to this dude for letting me roll some of this footage. Other than that, man, that's all I got. Y'all have a great rest of your day, night, evening. Y'all stay safe, stay savage, stay low-key. It's been your boy, the LowkeyLegend. See y'all in a video very shortly. I'm out of here, guys. Adios.
to be a way out.